Attention, a site near you has had full containment failure. As of classified, multiple groups of interest, GOI, rated site beep. A classified site near you. Breaching multiple HAZs along with a corntanto class HAZ which has the power to destroy or take control of anything at any time. The anomaly is currently in the western coast of the USA. Stay tuned for updates will follow. Attention, attention, this is not a test. 2 weeks ago, a corntanto class HAZ had breached. After failed attempts to recontain the anomaly, the government of the country redacted attempted to destroy the threat by nuking it. The attempt failed because the HAZ took control of the rocket, returning it to sender. An international threat has been declared by the UNGOC and Hazmat Incorporated. 91. Stay tuned for more information. Asterisk, attention, the anomaly has been seen in the west coast.
Everything is fine now. You may return to normal activities. Have a nice day.